This is a Chucky Beat production.
What up guys, welcome back to A Sneaker Gaming. As you can see right in front of me, we have one of the most sought after release for this Supreme season. We got the Supreme box logo. Shout out to Dawn Rise.
So now we got 8 different kind of colorways. Here we got the Florence pink, navy blue, rust, black, dark green, mustard, natural, and so. But we're still missing the navy colorway. Okay, so Anthony, what's the favorite colorway that you think?
Personally I like the royal blue or the mustard. For the royal blue, you can dress up with the off-white UNC Air Jordan 1. For the mustard, you can match it with a lot of things. You can go with the black jeans and the black shoes. It will look amazing.
Yeah, so for me, I'll get the pink colorway and also the natural one, because I think you can go with a lot of different kind of clothing with these. And so, Anthony, can you do a brief introduction about which one is more hyped and which one is more of the affordable to start your Hypebeast collection for Supreme box logo?
So if you want to go for Hypebeast full Hypebeast outfit, you can go for the dark green one or the royal blue one. They're currently going for the most money right now. But if you want to try to start your collection with the more affordable pieces, you can definitely go to the natural one, the fluorescent pink, and the mustard one. Oh yeah, also Henry, what do you think about this teddy bear right here?
This teddy bear right here. So this is a famous teddy bear brand named Steve, as you can see here. And this bear, he's wearing a Supreme red on gray box logo colorway. And yeah, so shout out to Dawn Rise for sending us these hype pieces. And we'll be linking down below their Instagram, and shout out to them.
Yeah, so Dawn Rise is located in Taipei, Taiwan, in Ximending, and they're also going to be opening up a store in Hualien, so stay tuned for that. Everything will be down in the description. As well, shout out to OVERDOPE magazine for giving us this opportunity. I'll leave their Facebook page down in the description. Drop a like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think about those box logo. Which one is your favorite colorway?
Comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Have an amazing day. Peace.
Let's get it.